so we just picked up the 69 Chevelle, and as you can see, it's gonna need a restoration. If you look at the paint, you can see in the sun, it's very scratched and swirled up. There's a lot of marks in this car. It's really hazy. So we're gonna bring the color back to life. We're gonna get all the scratches out. It's gonna need some light wet sanding. There is some orange peel. So we're gonna do some wet sanding on it. If you can see the condition of the rims, they're in rough shape. We're gonna repaint those all silver. We're gonna polish up the beauty rings. We're gonna paint all the wheel wells and stuff because it's all dirty and shot. Do it all nice fresh black. As you can see, the rims are really in rough shape. They're just all the old silver's worn off, and they're underneath the engine. See what we got there. See if what kind of work has to be done. Overall, the engine don't look bad. It's just really, really dirty. Some spots of surface rust and paint peeling. So what we'll end up doing is we'll go through the whole engine, clean it, polish the valve covers, touch up the orange, touch up a lot of the black, and we're going to be shooting some videos during the process of this whole car, and then we will show you at the end the final results. So stay tuned.
Wow, this paint is pretty trashed. Look at all these marks.
Do it again, I was laughing.
Wow, dude, look at this. This paint is pretty rough.
Let me take a look at it. We can fix that. Technology and everything comes from far away, and the good thing is, like, not that I didn't know what I was doing, but 6-7 years ago it'd have been nice to have some of those videos compared to now with the newer wheels and newer technology, and just to see the difference, even though that the cars looked good then, just to see the difference.
Right, but you maxed out because of technology. You know what I mean? Like, you learn as much as you can with the tools that you have.
And soon they're probably going to have robots you can buy to stand, and they'll scan the car and polish the car for you.
I want my robot to be Carl.
So yeah, my robot would definitely be named Carl.
A lot of people take things for granted too. Like, I remember when I was a kid, I always wanted, and I even do it sometimes too without even noticing. Like, I remember when I was a kid, one time, young, I was buying Hot Wheels, and I remember I bought a black Supra with a big giant wing on the back, and I was like, when I get older, I want a car like this, you know what I mean? I mean, did I get a Supra? No. But I had my Miata, and it looked just like it, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. But then when you get to that point, you're kind of like, sometimes you get envious of other people who are like farther, and then like you got to sit down sometimes and realize that, like, when you were a kid, you wish you even had this. You know what I mean? So now when you're here, then it's like a stepping stone to go to the next thing, and then the next thing, and then the next thing, and then you do it properly.
Biggest thing is to do it properly and do baby steps, and that's like what we're doing. I mean, we all have goals, we all have cars we want, shit. You know, I know what I want to buy, you know what you want to buy, and
I'm not just selling everything and pulling out a loan to get it.
And I'm gonna be honest, the car I wanted, I got rid of my car. Could I have it actually right now? I could go get it right now, actually. We're right where we're going, but it's going to be a better feeling at the end the way we're doing it and doing it in the right steps. There's a lot of other things that need to be taken care of first, and to me, to go drop a bunch of money and make a payment, I never had a payment on my sports cars, and the way I'm going to do it on the board, the achievement at the end to be able to walk in and throw my Michael Kors bag on the floor and be, you know, just with a bag full of cash and buy it.
Right.
That's going to be the best feeling.
Yeah,
you know?
and I mean, like, everybody knows that owning a project car is not easy. It's not cheap. And now imagine having to do the maintenance on it. Well, yours is going to be newer, so it's not going to be as bad. But like, say, people like me and Steve who have older cars, like, it's a lot of money and a lot of work. Now imagine having a car payment on top of the payments of having to fix things that go. And,
yeah.
Like, I just, that's something I never wanted to do.
No, and I'm... That wraps it up for today, and you can watch our next episode in restoration on the 1969 Corvette.